What if, somewhere in the darkness of space, there is another planet just like Earth? A planet with oceans, clouds, an atmosphere, and maybe even life. But here's the shocking part. Scientists are no longer asking if other planets exist. They've already found thousands. And one discovery may change the way we see our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity could only wonder what was beyond the stars. Today, powerful telescopes can detect worlds billions of miles away. These distant planets are called exoplanets. Some are giant worlds of gas. Some are frozen. Others orbit so close to their stars that their surfaces could be hot enough to melt rock. But scientists are searching for something very different. A world that might have the right conditions for life. And that's where the real search begins. Imagine standing beside a campfire. Too close and you burn. Too far away and you freeze. A planet's distance from its star can work the same way. Scientists call the region where liquid water might exist the habitable zone. And water is extremely important because everywhere on Earth where we find liquid water, we also find life. But here's the problem. Being in the habitable zone does not mean a planet is another Earth. Something much more important has to be checked. Scientists need to know what's happening in that planet's atmosphere. And this is where things become incredible. When a distant planet passes in front of its star, some of the star's light travels through the planet's atmosphere. That light carries information. By studying it, scientists can search for gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. It's almost like reading the chemical fingerprint of a world from across unimaginable distances. But there's an even bigger mystery. What if that fingerprint contains something we cannot explain? Imagine scientists detect a combination of gases that shouldn't naturally exist together. It wouldn't automatically prove alien life, but it could become one of the most exciting clues humanity has ever discovered. Because life can change a planet's atmosphere. On Earth, living organisms have transformed our world over billions of years. So perhaps another living world could be doing the same thing somewhere far away. But finding such a planet may be harder than you think. Finding an Earth-sized planet isn't enough. It needs more than the right size.
More than water. More than the right distance from its star. It may need a stable atmosphere, the right chemistry, and conditions that remain suitable for billions of years. A planet can look promising from far away and still be a frozen wasteland or a world of extreme heat. And yet, scientists have already discovered worlds that make them stop and wonder. Think about this. Our Milky Way galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, and planets appear to be incredibly common. That means our galaxy could contain billions of planets. Now, multiply that by the countless galaxies scattered across the observable universe. Suddenly, the question changes. It's no longer, could another Earth exist?
It becomes, how many might exist? But there's one problem we haven't solved. Even if another Earth exists, it could be unimaginably far away. The nearest stars are still several light years from us. With today's technology, Reaching another star would take an enormous amount of time. So discovering another Earth doesn't mean we can simply travel there. For now, our greatest tool is something much simpler: light. We can study the light coming from distant stars and planets and search for clues. But what if one day that light tells us something we never expected? What if we discover a planet with an atmosphere that strongly resembles Earth's? What if we find water? What if we detect chemical signs that could suggest biological activity? And then, what if those clues are real? Humanity would face a question unlike any before it. Are we looking at another living world? Or could it be something far more extraordinary? A civilization, a signal, someone looking back. We don't know the answer yet. Maybe Earth is incredibly rare. Maybe life is everywhere. Or maybe the universe is filled with worlds waiting for someone to discover them. But every telescope pointed toward the stars brings us closer to the truth. And perhaps one day, a tiny signal from the darkness will change everything. Because the greatest discovery in human history may not be on Earth. It may be waiting somewhere beyond the stars. This is Earth Untold. The universe is vast. The search has only just begun.